I'm assuming if you're watching this, you're probably a business owner or you want to be a business owner, and you've probably spent years and maybe a whole bunch of money thinking about how customers find you online. But what if I told you the rules of the game have just been completely rewritten? Yep, the old way of just Googling is fading fast, and a brand new search revolution is already happening. So I'm going to start off with a pretty blunt question, and I want you to really think about it. Right now, as you're watching this, could your business be completely and totally invisible to more than half of the people actively looking to buy what you sell or hire you for your service? 58%. Just let that number sink in for a second. This isn't some crazy future prediction. This is a snapshot of what's happening right now. So, what is this 58%? Well, these are the consumers who have already made the switch. They're not just typing a few words into a search bar anymore. They're having conversations with AI assistants like asking ChatGPT and asking Gemini and having conversations about recommendations for the best of whatever it is that you sell. And here's the kicker. If your business isn't mentioned in those answers, then to them, you basically don't exist. This brings us to that really tough but absolutely necessary topic. Why is all that SEO you've poured so much time and effort into suddenly not working? Well, the simple answer is that the search engine itself has fundamentally changed. The people who watch this stuff closely, the publishers, they have a name for this new reality, and it's a pretty chilling name. Google Zero. It's the term for that massive, gut-wrenching traffic loss that happens when Google's own AI just answers the question at the very top of the page. And that means users have, you guessed it, zero reason to click on your website. And the impact is huge. When Google's AI overviews show up on that top organic result, the one that you wanted and you fought tooth and nail for, well, when Google's AI overviews show up, the top result loses 34.5% of its clicks just like that because people just read the AI overview. Poof, those clicks are gone for ranking number one. And over a third of your potential traffic just vanishes. And look, this isn't just like some dramatic thing. This quote says it all. For many businesses and creators, this isn't just a small shift in the algorithm. This is like literally an apocalypse for the traffic that you were used to getting. They have been dreading it for years, and it's a whole new ballgame. And when you dig into the data, the story gets even clearer. Media outlets are already seeing their traffic drop by up to 25%. And 80% of users now get everything they need from that little AI summary, and they never click any further. And with 81% of all this AI overview traffic happening on mobile, well, you can see how convenient this zero click answers are for people who are on the go, right? They don't even need to go deal with a website. Okay, so that's the problem. And yeah, it's a big one, but this isn't just about the doom and gloom. We have to adapt. All right, I've got an acronym for you. AEO, Answer Engine Optimization. Forget just trying to be the one of the blue links on the page. Even those don't get that many clicks. The new goal, the only goal, is for your business's information to become the answer that the AI spits out. It's about being cited as the source of truth and building on that. We have GEO, or Generative Engine Optimization. Now, this is the big picture. This is the grand strategy. It's not just about Google anymore. It's about making sure your brand is visible and, more importantly, accurately represented everywhere. So on ChatGPT, on Perplexity, on Claude, on Gemini, or whatever comes next, this is the new comprehensive playbook for survival. Now, the really good news is you do not have to figure all this out by yourself. A whole new category of tools have popped up specifically to help small business owners like you win in this new age of AI. Let's look at some of the top contenders. First up, we've got Otterly AI. These guys are one of the first to market with a tool designed for AI search monitoring, and they built a fantastic reputation by keeping things affordable and super easy to use. And the keyword here is accessibility. It starts at just 29 bucks a month. And get this, they also have a 14-day free trial, and that doesn't even ask for a credit card. That means there's literally no risk. I'll put the link below in just signing up to see where or maybe if you're showing up in these AI answers. But hey, if you're looking for the absolute best place to start without spending a single penny, this is it. Before I get to the next one, hit that like and subscribe. A comment if you have any questions so far, because we're going to dive into a lot of this stuff over the next coming weeks. So hit that subscribe so you don't miss it. HubSpot is also one. Then a name I'm sure a lot of you already know and trust. They have an amazing tool to get you started. And when I say free, I mean it. They actually have a free tool. I know HubSpot's pretty expensive, but they have a 100% free tool at this point. It's called the HubSpot AI Grader, and it lets you analyze your brand's visibility across all the major AI platforms. So, for a business owner who's just trying to wrap their head around this whole new world, it's a good first step. There's literally zero reason not to try it. Now let's talk about a tool that's slightly different, and frankly, it's pretty exciting with its new approach. So for a business owner who's short on time, Rank I is becoming an absolute game changer for automating this whole process. So Rank I is fresh out of Y Combinator, that venture capital backed accelerator fund. They're making a huge promise to make this new kind of optimization 20 times more affordable than a traditional agency by using AI to do all the heavy lifting. It's still new, but with that kind of backing, it's definitely one you should watch. All right, we've covered the problem, we've covered some tools, but what can you do like the minute this video is over? I want to give you a simple 3-step plan to get you started on the right path immediately. First, track your visibility. Simple. You can't fix what you can't see. Use that free HubSpot tool we talked about and just get a baseline. Second, audit your content. AIs are like relentless fact checkers. They're looking for signals of authority and trust. That means make sure your facts are accurate, your sources are crystal clear, and your expertise shines through. And third, you have to think beyond Google. Your customers are using all kinds of AI tools, and your strategy can't have its eggs all in one basket. So I'll just leave you with this. This massive shift, it's already happening. The future of search isn't coming, it's here and has been here since yesterday. The only question left is whether is your business going to be a visible, trusted voice in this new world and show up for customers who are looking to hire or buy what you sell? Or will you just be part of that percentage that disappears? So, are you ready to be found? While you're thinking about it, check out some of the links below and the ebooks below to help you on this journey. Catch you in the next video.